Let's download a food tutorial on TikTok today. This looks good, let's try it. I think it is so easy, let's download it. What's annoying is that every time you download a TikTok video, there is a watermark. But not long ago, my friend recommended me a downloader, which helped me solve the problem of watermark. It named it Snappenny. Now let it help me remove the watermark. Just copy the video link. Return to the Snappenny page and paste the link. Preview the video, there is no watermark. We click the three-dot button to download. It downloads very quickly, and we can check it in the folder at the end. Okay, I will try to make nice food.